Today, we're diving into a military technique to shoot a rifle accurately and hit your target every time. First, adopt a stable stance. Plant your feet firmly shoulder-width apart to maintain balance throughout the shot. Next, ensure your grip and hold on the rifle are both secure and comfortable to prevent any unnecessary movement. Align your sights. The front and rear sights should create a straight line with your target for accuracy. Control your breathing. Inhale deeply and exhale halfway, then hold while you squeeze the trigger. Squeeze the trigger gently with steady pressure to avoid jerking the rifle and throwing off your aim. Finally, practice regularly. Consistency is key to mastering the technique and improving your shooting accuracy.